How to sell TonCoin from Tonekeeper. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, Tone coins are basically sold for various reasons such as realizing profits, managing risks, etc. In order to sell it, you need to launch the Tonekeeper app firstly on your device. Make sure to sign in and log into your account. Then you will reach on the dashboard of Tonekeeper where at the top tap Buy and Sell button. Next to Buy, tap Sale. Then you will reach on Sale Tone page where you can tap Show All and here are various methods to sell the tone. Whether you can sell with withdrawal to a credit card or sell tone to bank card instantly. So for now, select Mercurio and here tap Sell with Mercurio. After a while, so once you reach on this section, you need to be aware that you must have insufficient or you must have enough tone on your balance to sell ton coins from Tonekeeper. So you need to tap on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel to not miss the drawings and contest. After that, you can easily send tones and get the currencies back, then tap the sell button and after a while you can easily continue the process with the help of your email address and sell ToneCoin from Tonekeeper. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.